Artificial intelligence is evolving at an unimaginable pace. But is it leading us to a brighter future or something terrifying? From AI predicting crimes before they happen to machines outsmarting humans, these 10 chilling AI predictions could soon become reality. Stick around till the end because number 1 is something even Elon Musk himself fears. Imagine waking up one day and realizing your job is now done faster, cheaper, and better by a machine. AI-driven automation is already replacing jobs in factories, customer service, and even creative fields. A report by OpenAI suggests millions of jobs will be lost by 2030, so what happens when humans are no longer needed? Could you lose your job to AI? Comment below. Ever wondered why your phone shows ads for something you just thought about buying? AI studies your online activity to predict your thoughts and decisions before you even make them. Some experts fear that AI could be used to control populations through social credit scores, mass surveillance, and manipulation. Is privacy already dead? Imagine getting a video call from your mom asking for money, but it's not really her. AI can replicate voices and faces with terrifying accuracy, leading to identity theft, fraud, and political misinformation. Experts warn that deepfakes could be used for blackmail or even war propaganda. Would you be able to tell the difference between real and fake? What happens when AI is programmed to kill? Military powers like the US and China are developing AI-powered weapons and autonomous killer drones that could make life and death decisions without human input. Even Elon Musk warns that AI-powered warfare could be more dangerous than nuclear weapons. What if AI becomes so advanced, it starts improving itself? AI has already started writing its own code. If it keeps learning at an exponential rate, it could outsmart human programmers and become self-aware. This is called the technological singularity, and once we reach it, there is no turning back. Could AI ever develop feelings? Let's discuss. What if police could arrest someone before they commit a crime? AI is already being used in some cities to predict criminal activity before it happens based on data patterns. But here's the problem, AI can be biased. What if it unfairly targets innocent people? Imagine an AI secretly controlling world governments. AI bots have already been caught spreading fake news and influencing elections. A world where AI decides who gets elected is no longer science fiction. Could AI one day control the world? Would you rather live in a perfect AI-generated world or the real one? AI can now create hyper-realistic digital worlds where people might choose to spend their entire lives. Some experts warn that this could lead to humanity abandoning reality altogether. What if one AI system controlled everything you see and hear online? AI already ranks search results, social media posts, and news articles, so what happens when it starts choosing what we are allowed to see? The power of information is in AI's hands. The final stage of AI evolution is merging with humans. Elon Musk's Neuralink aims to connect human brains to AI, allowing people to control machines with their minds. But what if AI starts controlling us? Would you get an AI brain implant? Comment below. These AI predictions are already becoming real, but do we still have time to stop them? Which AI prediction shocked you the most? Tell us in the comments. Subscribe for more crazy future predictions.